Do you like seafood? Do you like seafood? I love eating fish. I love eating fish. This shrimp is fresh. This shrimp is fresh. Do you have salmon? Do you have salmon? I want grilled tuna. I want grilled tuna. Lobster is very expensive. Lobster is very expensive. Please pass the crab. Please pass the crab. I like fried calamari. I like fried calamari. Is this octopus good? Is this octopus good? I prefer raw oysters. I prefer raw oysters. The clams are salty. The clams are salty. Order the fish soup. Order the fish soup. Add some lemon juice. Add some lemon juice. Seafood is very healthy. Seafood is very healthy. Do you serve scallops? Do you serve scallops? I want cooked mussels. I want cooked mussels. The sushi is delicious. The sushi is delicious. Where is the cod? Where is the cod? I eat trout often. I eat trout often. It is a big fish. It is a big fish. Check the daily menu. Check the daily menu. Enjoy your delicious meal. Enjoy your delicious meal. Is the seafood fresh? Is the seafood fresh? I prefer white fish. I prefer white fish. Practice your English daily. Practice your English daily.